Let's go.
Hello and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making jerk chicken. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. You will need 2.5 pounds of chicken wings, 3 scallions, 1 cup of onion, 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, 6 cloves of garlic, 2 small pieces of ginger, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of browning, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of pimento berries, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of dried thyme, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cloves, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 tablespoon of seasoned salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. To a food processor, add your scallion, onion, garlic, ginger, your Scotch bonnet pepper, and pimento berries. Now add the brown sugar, thyme, clove, cinnamon, nutmeg, salt, and black pepper. Pour in the lemon juice, vegetable oil, vinegar, soy sauce, and browning, then mix until well combined. If you'd like a printable version of this recipe, along with other great recipes, please visit my website at soulfoodcooking101.com. A link is provided in the description below. Place your marinade in a bowl and set it aside. Make sure your wings have been cleaned and dried. Now sprinkle with your seasoned salt. Now add the marinade to your chicken and mix until well combined. Cover with plastic wrap, then transfer your bowl to your refrigerator and allow it to sit for at least 2 hours. After 2 hours, remove your chicken from the refrigerator. Now place the wings on a wire rack. Now transfer to your 375-degree preheated oven. Allow your chicken to cook for 45 minutes or until it has an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Soul Food Cooking.